Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency in this market by market cap. At a $1.2 trillion market, it is showing a tremendous sign of strength, moving into a bull market for cryptocurrency overall, bringing altcoins up and bringing the conversation back about decentralized finance. We see politicians and senators and countries talking about cryptocurrency, even talking about stable coins, talking about centralized digital currencies, CBDCs. We even hear about decentralized finance more and more. And now, for the first bull market in a very real way, people are building decentralized finance on top of Bitcoin. And they are doing it via the layer 2 solution Stacks. The Stacks token recently was down to $1.80 and is now up to $2.20. Did you buy the dip? Have you been paying attention? Do you know what comes next? I'm going to talk about Stacks token in this video. I'm also going to talk about the first dog meme token built on Bitcoin via Stacks in this video, which is making tremendous gains along with Stacks and the entire Stacks ecosystem, which I remain very bullish on. Alex Labs had a little issue recently. We're going to talk about some developments with that in this quick update. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right in. So over the last 7 days, a big BRC20 token, a meme token on BRC20, right? Token built on top of Bitcoin already came back 24%. It's the top gaining token over the last 7 days, according to CoinMarketCap. And Stacks is number 2 with a 20% gain. This token is now at $2.22. Recently, it was down to about $1.80, of which I bought the dip. I rode this token up to $2.40, and I actually sold some of my Stacks to buy a very popular meme token in this ecosystem that I'm going to talk to you guys about. But I remain bullish on Stacks. I want to accumulate more Stacks. I'm going to take profit out of some of the meme tokens in the Stacks ecosystem, take profit out of those memes into the Stacks token itself, and for very good reason, in my opinion. Again, nothing in these videos is financial advice, guys. Let's continue to talk a little bit about it. Did you buy this dip? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you understanding what's happening with Stacks? If not, let's talk a little bit about it. Now, back in May, we were looking for a launch of the layer 2 solution upgrade for Stacks. They were actually working on an upgrade that was going to bring the transaction time, which is very long right now for the DeFi protocols in Bitcoin on Stacks. It was actually it's a 10 to 30 minute transaction time for any transactions happening in Stacks. This is going to bring transaction times to under 4 seconds when this Nakamoto upgrade comes out, but it was supposed to launch in May and it did not. Instead, it was postponed, it was delayed. And with that, in my opinion, came some troubling price action for Stacks. What kind of price action came for Stacks? Well, if you zoom out and you go to the weekly candles, you will see, my friends, that Stacks unfortunately had a big spill. Came all the way down from its highs. It broke to price discovery mode. Came back down 50%. But if you bought that dip and you bought the bottom and you understood the implication of DeFi on top of Bitcoin, it's up 22% from the bottom, recent bottom right now, and it is up 39% if you had rode it from its recent bottom to its recent high. Now, if you had bought this coin in the bear market, man, you would have made a tremendous amount of gains. This coin is a beautiful performer, already up 1,000%, which is an incredible amount of percentage gains for any token. But that being said, guys, I still think there's a lot of opportunity here because you look at this DeFi token for Bitcoin, the DeFi protocol for Bitcoin, right? This is a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin breaks into price discovery mode, guys, and goes into its bull market, I expect Stacks to break out into new highs as well. And I would not be surprised to see this token go above $10, above $20, frankly. And again, not financial advice. This is just something I expect because there is no layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi that is close to as competitive as Stacks is. Nothing's getting the venture capital attention like Stacks. Nothing out there is even close. And the Nakamoto upgrade, which was delayed, was supposed to come out in May, is now postponed. It's going to come out in August. So this upgrade is still on the schedule. And Bitcoin is still scheduled, hopefully, to break into price discovery mode this year. We'll get an altcoin rally, DeFi economies will rally, and likely, I believe that the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi is going to rally as well. There's a token out there that's built on top of Stacks, and it's called WELSH Corgi Coin. And WELSH Corgi Coin has been coming down for a while, and it finally broke out above a trend line that I've been watching for a while now. I'm looking at this chart on MEXC. This started trading in MEXC back just in January. This is its only centralized exchange it's on, which means it has many centralized exchange listings to come. The fact that it broke out of this trend line, above this trend line, that it's been struggling below for a while, is beautiful. And honestly, if this thing goes back to its previous highs, guys, you're looking at a 3.6x from here. And I do believe that this token has a good chance to go to $1 billion market cap. Now, if that happens, you're looking at much more than just a 3x. In fact, you're looking at probably about a 30x is about what the price gains are on that. There's only one token in terms of Bitcoin meme coins that are in the top 10 meme coins by category. And I think that there are more meme coins from the Bitcoin networks, whether it's Stacks, the layer 2, or Runes protocols, or BRC20s. I think there's going to be others that climb up there as well. And I believe that WELSH, which is the first dog meme token ever built on top of Bitcoin via the layer 2 solution Stacks, can be in those rankings. It's done very, very well recently, and that's been a very beautiful thing to see. Now, I tweeted this out. I am insanely bullish on WELSH for this reason. I'm publicly coming out and talking about it because I just think it's going to be a narrative. I could totally be wrong. And here's another thing I want you guys to remind yourselves of is when you're looking to understand crypto and understand the different chains out there, go to CoinGecko. Go to the different chains. Go to the categories. Here are the top chains in cryptocurrency. Right now, you can see the top ones, obviously Ethereum, then you got Tron, the Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and many, many others. You've got Cronos under there. We've talked about Cronos a lot on this channel. And way, way down there, guys, you got to look around, right? But you will see that Stacks is growing. Stacks is becoming a part of the conversation right now, ranked number 28 in chains in overall crypto. I think this is going to continue to climb. And when you look at the Stacks tokens listed on CoinGecko, there is only a couple coins, and WELSH is one of them. And you can see it's a 45% over the last 7 days because as Stacks token went down to that $1.80 level, and as the fear came out over the recent Alex Labs token crash, which actually they had a hack for liquidity pools, they had to shut down their platform essentially, and they just recently reopened. As they reopened, a lot of these tokens in the Stacks ecosystem rallied. Stacks is not dependent on Alex Labs, though Alex Labs was one of my favorite apps to use for a while when it came to trading in the Stacks ecosystem. They recovered their pools. They're now open for trading, so they're opening up a lot of the trading for these tokens. They just opened up some of the trading for some of the other memes out there. The other day, I was actually wondering if some of these tokens, actually Gus right there, was actually gone, if it was a rug. It turns out that no, it was only tradable on Alex Labs, and because the liquidity pools had gotten taken down from Alex Labs because the Alex Labs platform had an issue, they were just waiting to reopen them. And so you just got to follow the narratives very closely, guys. But regardless of Alex Labs or not being a part of the conversation, as you can see here, there's other projects out there besides Alex. Veller is another tremendous app to trade some of the Stacks and Rune tokens on for Bitcoin DeFi. And I'm going to continue to keep my eye on this, guys. This is a narrative that I will remain bullish on until I have a true reason to not be bullish on this narrative. As for Alex Labs, let's see if they can kind of pull themselves out of the weeds here. There are competitors coming up, but there is no doubt that Stacks, in terms of a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin and looking at its competitors, there's nothing that's close when it comes to Stacks. The Nakamoto upgrade is coming later this year. That leaves me very bullish. If Bitcoin can start breaking to new highs, I believe Stacks will break to new highs. I'm hopeful that WELSH Corgi Coin can break to new highs as well. And hopefully some coins like Veller and some of the other ones out there that we've talked about in the past. I'm going to continue to look into these ecosystems, continue to do the research, and that's exactly what you should do as well, guys. Nothing here is financial advice. That is all I have for you in this one today. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA HODL. And of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.